Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back. So today, as you can see, we got tires, a lift kit, and this lift kit is from High Lifter. I would like to thank the local dealerships around for this little lift kit. So this comes with your nuts and bolts, your brackets, another bracket. Everything for this little Polaris 150. Yeah, I was going to say 120, but it's 150. So, front bracket and attachments for each shock, and your rear brackets. This does look kind of funky to me, but it will all make sense soon enough. So we're going to do one side in the back, and I'll do on the other side without the camera. Then we'll do the same in the front. Stick around. So the first thing you want to do is take off your shocks, both of them in the back. And it's 15 for inside and 1/2 inch for the outside. Just to simplify you guys a little bit instead of looking at the tools. Now I do have this jacked up, and I got jack stands underneath. I'm just trying to give myself enough room pull off that bolt. Then you can drop your back end. To have more room to work on it. Now we'll clean this up a little bit, and then we'll start the install. You're gonna grab. All right. So now you're gonna grab your brackets. So you're gonna take this one, move it to the side, put in your bolt, and then your little spacer. Push it through. Make sure both of them are the same. Put your nut in. Now I'm not going to tighten this down yet. I'm just going to install everything so that way I can move. You're going to lift it up. So now you're going to do the same for the top. Bolt. Spacer. Bracket. Then you're going to put a nut. And then repeat. Bolt, spacer, nut. Now this is all switched from to 17 millimeters. So you're going to tighten them all down. Then all you're going to need to do is drop your suspension and install your shock. Now bolt, washer, through the shock. Drop another washer on the other side. Push it through. Tighten down. Now this side's completely done, and now you got to tighten everything. Make sure to look at your manual. If there is no torque spec, tighten down. And now you remove both shocks from the front. And your suspension should drop. Now if it doesn't go well, you can always loosen these two bolts for your sway arm. It'll help you drop it more. Sometimes you don't want to turn. Now you want to slide your front bracket in. Goes like this. Same principle as in the back. Bolt. I think I'm going to chuck on the other side. Let's try and move it. Bolt. Spacer. And this is where you wish you had little hands. Nope. Ce qui est tombé. So this is a tight little fit. Big hands don't work. Pull the bolt out a little bit. So now you're going to take your bracket and try and jam it inside between your spacer and your inside wall. It would help if I didn't touch the shock. Push it through. And then you push your bolt. Grab your nut. Remember, keep everything loose. Now for the big fingers. Then you grab your bolt, try and line up everything, put it through your shock, and your bracket. There's no washers for in here, so, and again, just put it in. Now you do the same thing to the other side, then you tighten everything down, and then I'm going to take a final measurement and I'll let you guys know the measurement at the end. So we started with 9 inches. We're now at 11 inches of clearance. It will sacrifice a little bit of ride, but your ride height is a little higher. And now we can actually get to putting on the tires in the next video. So I hope you guys enjoy. Peace out. Like, subscribe, comment. I want to hear from you guys. Have a good one, boys.